Hello everyone, welcome to Begum Cyril Math. This is Mopidevi Padmaja, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to convert a recurring decimal into a fraction. Okay, so in conventional math we have a lengthy method to do, okay, but we can get our answer in just 5 seconds. So I'll show you how. So let me screen share. So yeah. So first, let me just show you how we do in conventional math. Okay. So here, a 0.8 bar. So we take x equals 0.888, then 10x equals 8.88, then we subtract and we simplify to get x is equal to 8 by 9. So suppose if the question is 0.16 bar, then x we take it as 0.1616 and 100x as 16 plus 1616, then subtract and simplify to get your answer. So in this question, the main problem is sometimes we have to subtract 10x and x. So sometimes 10x and x we subtract, sometimes 100x and x we will subtract, sometimes 1000x and 10x we subtract, right? So it varies from question to question, and the students find it difficult to predict in which question what two x values we need to subtract. Okay, so now let's come back to our trick. Okay, so here let's take those two questions which I just showed you. So let's take it is 0.8 bar. Okay, so now what is the first step? So in the denominator, how many decimals under bar you have? That many nines you should write. That's it. So in the denominator, under bar, I have one decimal. So I'll write 19. That's it. Now you have to ignore decimal and bar. See, if I just ignore a decimal and bar, what I'm seeing, I'm just seeing 0, 8, right? I'm ignoring a decimal, I'm ignoring bar, and I'm seeing 8, isn't it? Okay, so then write 8. So that is your answer, isn't it? So x equals 8 by 9. Okay, so now let's see the another question. So we took 0.16 bar, right? So we took 0.16 bar. So for this also we use the same technique. So here two decimals are under bar. So we have to write two nines in the denominator. So what I mentioned. So number of decimals under bar equals the number of nines. So the same thing you have to write two decimals under bar, you have to write two nines. Then you have to just ignore decimal and bar. Ignore decimal and bar. So what is the number you are seeing without decimal and bar? We are seeing 016. So 016 is nothing but 16. So 0.16 bar, the answer is 16 by 19. You can check the answers 8 by 9 and 16 by 19. 8 by 9 and 16 by 99. So we got the same answers, right? And that too with one small trick, that is just number of decimals under bar should be equal to number of nines in the denominator. Ignore decimal and bar. So that's how you get your numerator. Okay, and this trick, it will help you to get your answer in just a split seconds, and it will also help you to come out of that confusions like which two x values we need to subtract. Suppose if the denominator is 99, then definitely it indicates that 10x and x I have to subtract, right? Because 9 is nothing but 10 minus 1. So similarly, 99 denominator if you get, so you will understand that 101 I have to subtract. So 100x and x you need to subtract to get this answer. So that's how it will help you to predict which two x values you have to subtract, and it will help you to get your answer in split seconds. If you have answer in your hand, then it's like you have to just show on your answer sheet how you get it. And suppose if this question comes in MCQs where you get all the four options, so you can nicely pick the answer, right, without much work doing. And usually this method, it takes some minutes of time to do, and sometimes if students are stuck, it actually consumes time also. I hope you like this trick. Thank you for watching video.